Hello, hello. Here we are in the city of Turku. And now we are walking towards a place called Koppahalli. It's we have been told it's a old market that should be open till 6 p.m. So it should be open for another hour and a quarter. So let's go and see what's in there. इधर चलते हैं बीच में से मार्केट के अगर कहीं तो बर्फ बिल्कुल पिघल गई है, कहीं पे नहीं पिघली है, ऐसा क्यों है? दूर दूर से फाइबर करके ये तो रुक ही नहीं रहे हैं, सभी आई जा रहे हैं, सभी जाई जा रहे हैं। अबे बंद है फिर हमारा तो आना ही बेकार हो जाएगा। चार लानता पैसे पूरी में। Looks like we have arrived at the place, but we need to find an entrance. Is this an entrance? Hey, एक entrance. यार ये कहाँ गए?
रोटी खाने हैं कोई रेस्टोरेंट है सारे मिलता
बहुत दूर तक लग रहा है इधर। There are a lot of restaurants to eat, to sit, eat, and try the food. ये 30th birthday है, ये ले अपने लिए इधर। कितने साल का हो गया तू? कितने साल का हो गया है? कितने साल का हो गया? तनु होने आया था मैं 40 ईयर होगा। बोल ये तुझे?
नहीं है
नहीं 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 हर चीज में नहीं।
किंग चाहिए तो वो किंग
मेरा नहीं, ये उठा देता हूँ। Looks like a nice place. If you are देखा कैसे ट्रेन जैसा माहौल बनाया इधर। ट्रेन बनाई हुई है, पुरानी ट्रेन। We just had a coffee, so we can't have anything, which is a bit unfortunate. Alright, so we are outside from the other exit. So the second recommendation is the riverside of Turku. So let's go there. Here we have arrived almost at the riverside. Camera battery is going to die very soon and I am not carrying my spare one. So let's have a quick look how the river of Turku looks like. Walking very much next to the river, being careful that we don't just fall inside. Here we have arrived closer to the lights and turned out to be a bridge. So let's cross it. Why not? We are at the entrance of the bridge. Must be the famous bridge of Turku. So yeah, that was our little riverside walk of Turku. I think that's pretty much it. Now maybe walk a bit more, but I think we can close the vlog. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.